The Justice T. Vaiphei Enquiry Commission report that was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly session by Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma on 9 September 2022 has attracted the attention of members of the opposition, especially its leader Dr. Mukul Sangma and MLA of Mawsynram Constituency Hima M Shangpliang, where they both reacted by saying that the incident could have been avoided had the tactical team 1 strictly adhered to standard operating procedures during the entire raid.
Hanga ngangashim ba kani ka operation baro ka ba banjia kat kani ka jingjia ka basusi hado ba ndaklan no iba chesterfield thank you kalong ka kam ka bom khoi na kalian na subajur yaki ege kibadon hakani ka kam hakatin pareng nalaban ong baka don ka criminal conspiracy in the whole operation nga kwa ban iba justice should prevail. Justice should be done. Yaki ege ka ba lajia ngadawa naka sarkar ba deban punshitom ya kibri gibadon kti hakum kani ka kam kumbang i hakani ka report kadon ka kolom boong action taken boong action taken ka report ka ong gumno so ong ba explanation call will be issued kata kamot will be issued kamot ang patsim action tinga kwa baka sarkar kadeban pensyayah maupai ba kaya gajing mut kaya jing tumu jang sarkar nalor kani ka report bala ada table matasi on the floor of the house nakwa baka sarkar ba kadeban bishar hok ba bakan seimadan ya ki brig ba don kti hakani ka kam ba deban ai ka punishment ka ba ya kat kum ka kam.
This is to a great extent quite conclusive. It says, therefore my finding is that the tactical team 1 in carrying out the operation to arrest the deceased at his residence on 13/8/2021 at about 3 a.m. was culpable of thoughtless and excessive use of force, which resulted in the death of the deceased, late Chesterfield, thank you, which could have been avoided. Okay, now you have to be analytical on this particular finding of the Commission of Inquiry. Please remember that the Meghalaya police had withstood the test of time. Meghalaya police has never been in such a position where they had not faced much more bigger challenges than this in dealing with law and order situation in the state, in restoring peace, whether dealing with proscribed organizations or dealing with other petty militant outfits which were mushrooming in the state. And therefore, there is a well-known SOP, standard operative procedure for the police. There has been innumerable raids, not just one, not just two, so many raids over the years. Now, why this SOP was not followed? Why? Was it because of incompetence of this police? The men of the organizations who have been highly trained. Please remember that we have given them such kind of training which made me on number of occasions take the pride on the efficiency of our police organization, the men of the police organization. Our police, state police have demonstrated very high level of efficiency. And therefore I have no reason to believe that it's because of incompetence. If you go by other instances of the past, there has been some instances where in order to ensure that okay, there is no more further progress in the investigation of cases, sometimes the sources of inputs the witnesses, the evidences are destroyed. Killing a potential man who could have provided some more information is also amounting to that. So law can be interpreted in many ways. Whether the deceased has many other things, whether he had many things, in other words, whether they were afraid of spilling bills by the deceased. All those things also come. So these are million-dollar questions, so they'll have to answer. And my point is therefore whether there was a criminal conspiracy to lead to this circumstance which led to the killing of late Cherished. Thank you.